Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Prince of Persia: The Lost Crown game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application, and once you are logged in and taken into the store page, just click on the search box. And now just type in Prince of Persia: The Lost Crown to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it, and this will take you into the game page, where you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. Scroll down and click on the Add to Cart button alongside your preferred bundle or edition. You can then click on View My Cart to continue towards your payment. Then you can use your Steam wallet balance or any one of the payment methods from the drop-down menu. Now enter the credentials followed by your billing information, and now click on the Continue button to finalize your transaction. After this, the game will be added to your library and you can complete the installation in just a few clicks. Once it is done, you may start enjoying the Prince of Persia: The Lost Crown game on your PC. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install Prince of Persia: The Lost Crown. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.